guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jo Kemp, and this is a house tour of the house we just bought, and I'm so excited to bring you guys in and show you all everything. Obviously, there's a lot of things we are going to redo or paint or something, but yes, I'm so excited to show y'all how it looks right now. This is an empty house tour. This is the first morning that we got possession of our place, and so I'm just gonna bring you guys through the house and show y'all all the little details, or at least some of them. And yeah, I'm gonna try to tell you guys some of the things we want to work on or redo, and I probably will miss things because you never know when you end up doing something else. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will try to answer them for you guys. And I can't wait to do the after videos of all of the rooms where you guys can see what we did and how much we improved it or changed it or whatever you want to put in there. Hopefully, when you do things, it improves it, right? Because you don't want to spend that much time and not improve something. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. Give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So what I'm showing you guys here is on the main level, and there are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and one of those is probably going to be a kids room and one will probably be a guest room eventually. But for right now, until we have the upstairs renovated the way we want, it's going to be our bedroom. So this is the upstairs, and it's just really impractical and it's just not really possible to do a whole lot with it up here the way it is right now with the walls in there and everything. So, we're planning to just gut it probably and redo the bathroom up there and eventually have like a master bedroom and bathroom and possibly an office space somewhere, something up there. We're not completely sure how we're going to do it all yet, but as soon as we have time to make our plans, we will be, yeah, doing some of that, and as soon as we have the time to put into that. So, yeah, we are really excited about redoing that and having that to use, but for right now, it's just not going to work. I really do like the kitchen. The cabinet color, I feel like is a lot nicer of a color in real life than it's showing up on pictures. When I saw pictures of it, I thought I'm gonna redo those cabinets, but now in real life they are just in really good shape and they're so nice. So I think for now, we're just gonna leave that. And in the living room here, we are going to hopefully for the for the fireplace, I want to hopefully paint it black or white. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with that. But the walls need to be, as you can see here, there's kind of cracking in the paneling. So we're probably just going to re-drywall the living room or something. If you guys have any suggestions, you are more than welcome to let them down below. But yes, we are planning to do something in the living room to redo the walls before we paint that and finish the living room. This goes out to the garage. And over here we have a little closet that needs a facelift as well. And we're going to hopefully just clean that up and maybe line the shelves or something. Maybe paint it, I'm not sure. This is the laundry room, has cabinet space, and it's actually got quite a bit of cabinet space, which is nice. Wash and dryer on the other side. And then this is the big back porch. We have a big front porch as well, similar to this, and it is just so nice, and so many nice sunsets out back behind the house. It's gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos and updates.